Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how you can fix Instagram unable to send message problem to anyone for 3 days. This video will definitely gonna fix your issue. Without further ado, let's get started. In the first place, all you need to do is that update your Instagram app. Open Google Play Store, search Instagram on the search bar. Now check whether you have update option available or not. If it is showing an update, it means you haven't updated. If it is not, then you have already updated your Instagram app. In that case, you can try next method, which is clearing cache data of Instagram app. Open settings and from there go to the section called manage apps. First of all go to apps, then manage apps. Now search Instagram on the search bar. Tap on it. As you can see here guys, an option called storage. Tap on it and clear data. Clear cache data of Instagram app from here. Tap on clear cache. Tap on OK. After that, check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you need to report a problem to Instagram. To report your problem, open Instagram app. At the top right, you will see 3 dots, and from there you need to go to the settings, and from here you have to go to the section called help. Tap on report a problem. Now shake your phone and click on report a problem. Now you have to tap on include and continue, and now you can write a problem which you are having right now in brief as much as possible. After writing it, you need to also mention the username and email of your account. Once you've done that, you have to send this message to Instagram. Now after that, you have to wait for 2 or 3 days to get back your reply from Instagram. I hope you will get the reply from Instagram and they will try their best to fix the problem you are facing right now. This was only for this video guys. If you are still dealing the problem, please let me know in the comment section. Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.